Hello students, my name is Vivek Pandey and today we discuss about biology and this is a biology class and in biology they have a major two terms just like plants and animals. And about plants and animals discussed before we discuss about plants and animals we discussed about their classifications, how they classified according to their position, habit and habitats, infrastructure, just like plants and animals, because they have a very big major topics in biology. Firstly, we discuss the plants and about their classifications, and the plants classification discussed by many scientists according to NCERT. They have given the lots of the kingdom, like five kingdom, two kingdom, three kingdoms, and both they classified different types of the kingdoms. But we discussed about their classification, about their positioning, about their habit and habitats. Just like we discussed the firstly their flowering and non-flowering plants. Non-flowering plants we say cryptogamous, and the flowering plant is the phanerogamous. क्रिप्टो मीन्स होता है कि सीड हिडन, फ्लावर हिडन, मतलब कि उनके जो फ्लावर होंगे या तो बिल्कुल टोटली एब्सेंट होंगे एंड दे हैव द हिडन फ्लावर्स, एंड इन phanerogamous they have the great flowering. Now we discuss the non-flowering. Non-flowering is also discussed by in a two parts. They have embryo. They have no embryo first. They have no embryo and they have embryo presence. If they have embryo presence and they call the embryophyta. 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 And now if they have no embryo, they have called the thallophyta. Plant classification just like flowering plants, phanerogamous, non-flowering plants, cryptogamous, and cryptogamous I had classified by in a two terms, just like no embryo we call thallophyta and embryo we call the embryophyta. Okay, now thallophyta is also categorized in a two category. Thallophyta also categorized in a two category, in autotropics. Autotrophic. Now thallophyta is also categorized in a two category. We call the autotrophic. Autotrophic, and this is the heterotrophic. What is the means of autotrophic? Autotrophic means they have synthesized their own food by the chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight. It means the category of that plants, they have the chlorophyll or special structure for the synthesize their own food. And heterotropics, in heterotropics they divide and they doesn't synthesize their own food and they totally dependent on the autotrophic. Example of the autotrophic is algae, just like algae, and heterotrophic just like fungi. We discuss plant classification just like phanerogamous, cryptogamous, and cryptogamous I had divided in two categories just like no embryo and embryo. If they have embryo, they have called embryophyta, and if they have no embryo, they call the thallophyta. And again, thallophyta is divided in two categories, just like autotrophics and heterotropics. Autotrophics is the algae and heterotrophic is the fungi. Okay, is that clear? अगर आपको स्क्रीनशॉट लेना हो तो इसका ले लीजिए एंड यू, नहीं तो हम लोग आगे चलते हैं. अब हम लोग आगे डिस्कस करेंगे. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अहेड जस्ट लाइक एम्ब्रियो, एम्ब्रियोफाइटा और phanerogamous. We discussed the phanerogamous. Already we have discussed about Thallophyta. Thallophyta, it means autotrophic and heterotrophic, but we leave this topic just like Embryophyta, and according to this topic they have also categorized in a two categories. Embryophyta is also categorized in a two categories, just like non-vascular bundle, non-vascular, and it is called as the Atracheophyta. Atracheophyta, they have no vascular bundles, and here they have vascular bundle. They have vascular bundles. And they called as Tracheophyta. It means Thallophyta and Embryophyta is also described in a two categories: non-vascular bundles and vascular bundles. Non-vascular bundles categorized as a Atracheophyta. They called as the Atracheophyta, and vascular bundles called the Tracheophyta. Atracheophyta में आपका एग्जांपल आ जाएगा ब्रायोफाइट्स. और इसमें आपका आ जाएगा वेस्कुलर बंडल्स में टेरिडोफाइट्स. They categorized in a two category, just like non-vascular bundles, vascular bundles, Atracheophyta. Tracheophyta example is the pteridophytes, and the Atracheophyta example is the bryophytes. And bryophytes is also known as the amphibians of the plant kingdom, and they have no vascular bundles. And in a pteridophytes start vascular bundles. Just like vascular bundles means they have presents xylem and phloem. And phloem. What is the work of xylem and phloem? Why they presents in plants vascular bundles? Just like xylem is consuming the nutrients and water supply into the plants, and phloem they take the foods. Foods means different types of the minerals. They take part in a nutrition of the plant. They call the phloem. It means phloem takes food for the plants, and xylem takes water into the plants. So today class we discussed here about the plant classification according to their structure, and now in the next class we discussed about the plant classification on the basis of their seeds: spermatophyta, non-spermatophyta, and different things in their plant classification. Okay, thank you class.